live on a farm here in New Zealand with my family. We share our farm with another family. We're completely off-grid, and today I want to give you a little tour. If you want to snoop around the inside of our yurts, you can check out the videos I'm going to link in the description box below. So we're going to start off up here. This is our big yurt, and in this area, permaculture people will call it Zone 1. We have a few fruit trees, our garden, our solar panels, and also we have a spa pool. I think we might be some of the only people in the world who live in a tent and have a hot tub. This is our little garden. We've got 3 beds here, but this is the only one that's currently alive and kicking, mostly just filled with spinach and kale. We've put the other 2 beds asleep now for the winter with poo and cardboard, because what more do you want in the winter? This is Juno's mud kitchen. We built this for her 4th birthday and she loves it. We've got a bunch of citrus trees planted in front of the girls' mud kitchen so that when they run the tap, our trees get a little bit of an extra water. This is the little yurt. We kind of use it like a spare bedroom. I sometimes do my work in here and friends come and stay, but in the summer it's also on Airbnb at weekends. A nice little side income for us. A little bit along from our yurts, we have a magical little area which we use for our Forest Learning Collective, which is a little crew of families that come along for the whole day once every 2 weeks, and we just light a fire and play in the bush and have a little circle. So that's just through here. Done a few little earthworks by hand up there to dig out a little stream and make some steps into the forest. Our yurt is smack bang in the middle of forest behind it and meadows in front of it. So there's as much forest behind as there are meadows in front. This is our little caravan. We're sort of still doing it up. It's taking a while. We've used it to have a woofers stay in it and a few friends. And we think we might keep it as an extra room. I'm taking you down now to see the chickens. This is where the chooks hang out. It's kind of the most wild and feral coop in the world, but to be fair, these are some of the wildest and most feral chickens you'll ever meet. So it's like Slum Chook Millionaire, but without the millionaire bit. This bit here is actually one of my favourite bits. Can you see just here? It's a grove of native kahikatea trees that have just all kind of grown up entwined with each other. And it's absolutely magical in there. And this field, we call it the fantail field, or the Waka Waka meadow, because do you see them all just flying around? When you walk through it, about 20 of them just come and find you. So amazing, you just feel like Snow White. My hair is completely filled with bits of kahikatea now. These paddocks run alongside the most beautiful river in New Zealand. Hey cows, these are our Highland cattle. Now right here is one of the big projects that we're undertaking. We've just finished fencing a massive new section on our land because basically we just want to plant thousands more trees. So we're going to plant 4,000 trees all the way along this strip and all the way along the river edge, from there all the way to there. We're planting it thanks to the help of you guys. Hundreds of you from all over the world are buying trees to go in this forest. So if you love trees, you can definitely buy your own little New Zealand tree and put it in here if you go to 4000trees.org. Basically, we just think it's the responsibility of every human to plant as many trees as they possibly can, but it's especially the responsibility of farmers to plant as many trees as they possibly can along all of their waterways. Our waterways are so important. That's why we're doing that big mission, and we totally invite you to be involved in it. The very best part of our farm is walking across one of the cow paddocks down to the river. We spend nearly the entire summer swimming here. In fact, even yesterday, it's pretty much the middle of winter, the kids were trying to convince me that we should go for a swim. We bought our land 3 years ago with another family. We literally just went halvesies with them. We had got to know them quite well because we'd been living on another bit of land, working on the organic farm together, so we knew them really well, and we just knew that we could totally live with them. It means we can have a massive bit of land together and it's not really overwhelming. It means that we're not isolated, it means that we've got each other, and obviously it made it heaps more affordable. This is the first orchard we planted. We planted this before we even moved onto the land, and we have lemons, apples, peaches. Basically every person, every family member chose a tree, and then we came straight here and we put them straight in, and they've just been growing over the last couple of years. This orchard is right at the bottom of our driveway, so from here people just cruise on out, and I'm gonna let you do the same. Thank you so much for watching. Next week I'm going to be doing an off-grid living Q&A, so hit me up with any questions you want answered about our farm, about anything. Just ask them in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share if you liked this video, and come on over to Patreon if you'd like to support my video makings and you want to get in on some live streams and other fun. Take care and stay radical.